Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this makeup look using a one brand makeup product by e.l.f. I've always tried on my channel to mix things up by showing you guys how to achieve beautiful makeup look using affordable makeup. So today's makeup look is one of those videos where I shared my thoughts about the e.l.f. Cosmetics makeup products. I'm quite impressed so far, and I won't say much because I'll let you guys be the judge, because I actually explained my feelings about each product while I use them. And to be honest with you guys, I'm quite impressed so far. You guys to judge, or I'll leave you guys to tell me what you think about it yourself. But so far so good. I am loving it and I am quite impressed so far. From my eyebrow to my lips, everything is all e.l.f. Cosmetics. If you are a fan of e.l.f. Cosmetics products, please comment down below and let me know what you think about their products, your favorite products so far from the brand. I've never tried their product before. Let me know what you think about the ones that I used in this video. And if you're interested in knowing how I achieved this look, please keep on watching and I'll see you in my next one. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a one brand makeup tutorial for you guys using the e.l.f. Cosmetics. I've known about e.l.f. Cosmetics for a while now, but I've never really tried their product, like proper tried their product. Today I'm going to be using their makeup product to achieve a full makeup look. So let's get started. So for today's look, I'm going to be using these two eyeshadow palette right here. I'm going to start with my brow first. I'm going to start by using this brow liner and brow cream right here. The shade I have with me is in Espresso. This is what the brow gel looks like. I'm just going to take a spoolie brush right here. I'm going to use that to brush my eyebrow. I'm quite confused because both palettes looks amazing. Look at that. That's their metal palette, and look at that. That's their rose gold sunset palette. So I'm quite confused as to which one to go for. I'm going to start with this neutral shade right here. I'm going to use that as my transitional shade. It's a neutral matte brown shade. I'm going to apply that as my transitional shade. I'm not quite sure of the look I'm going for. I'm quite sure that I'll be able to work something out with this palette. I'm going to go in with this shade right here. I'm going to apply that just below the transitional shade that I applied just now. So I'm going to take the e.l.f. concealer right here. I'm going to use that to cut the crease. I'm going to take this shade right here. I'm going to apply that on my inner corner. It's giving that yellowy gold effect to my lids. I don't know if you guys can see that, although it's a light shade, so you might not be able to tell. I'm going to take this rose shade right here. I'm going to apply that next to the shade I just applied earlier. Oh my days, look at that, guys. For a drugstore eyeshadow, guys, this is really nice. Wow. Where have you been, e.l.f.? As a drugstore product, I've never used their eyeshadow product before. Wow, this is so cool. I'm loving it. A little goes a long way, and the pigment is unreal for drugstore eyeshadow products. It's amazing, guys. This is so amazing. I'm loving it so far. This shade right here. I've always looked at e.l.f. like e.l.f., but I've never had the chance, to test their product properly, and I'm quite glad I'm able to do that now. and so far so good. I'm loving it. So I think I'm done with the eyes really. I'm going to take the e.l.f. eyeliner right here. I'm going to use that to line my eye. I know I look a little bit dull today because I'm not feeling well, but I just had to film this for you guys because if you've been following me on Instagram, a lot of you guys have been asking me where is the one brand tutorial you promised. So that's why I just had to film it for you guys. But otherwise I'm not feeling very well. That's why I've not been posting on Instagram. This looks different. I'm loving the packaging of this eyeliner. But guys, look at that. Look at that. Just one swipe and look at how dark. Look at that. It's really black and it dries down really matte. I like that. I've already applied my lashes off camera right there. So I'm going to move on now to my face. I've got two primers right here. This primer and that primer, so I'm not quite sure which one to go for. I think I'm going to go for the matte primer right here. I also have that sponge right here. I'm not sure if I should use this or not, but why not? Let's give it a go and see. So this is what the sponge looks like. I think this down bit is for the face, but it's a little bit hard, I'd say, than normal, but I'm just going to wet this and see how it works. I've wet the sponge and I don't think it made any difference to it. It's still there steady. I am just going to try and use it and see if it's going to work, but if it doesn't, then I would be left no choice than to use my normal blending sponge. So let's try it. I'm going to apply the primer right there, and I'm going to use that bit to blend it into my skin. It smells like tea tree. If you have tried the Body Shop tea tree, skincare range, then that's exactly how this smells. So that's a good thing because tea tree is actually good for the skin. So definitely going to be using this based on the fact that it has, skincare ingredient that I really liked. For primer, yes. To apply powder, yes. But for foundation, I don't think so. But let's see our e.l.f. foundation right here. It's called the Flawless Finish Foundation. The consistency of the foundation is really thick, which is definitely good for a drugstore foundation. It's quite a full coverage foundation. So I'm just going to blend that into my skin. The consistency of the foundation is thick. Definitely it's a full coverage foundation, light and not too thick, and it's oil free, which is a bonus for me because I have an oily skin. I have the contour kit right here. Wow, look at that, guys. This is a cream contour kit. e.l.f. concealer right here. I'll be using that to highlight my face. It's in the shade Light. Let's hope that won't be too light for me. At the packaging of this concealer and the consistency of the concealer, it felt so much like the NARS Radiant Cream Concealer. Maybe it's just me, maybe not, but I have the NARS Radiant Cream Concealer as well, and this felt so similar to it. And for a drugstore concealer, it's a no-brainer. I think it works well in the end because I'm still gonna, contour my face. I'm going to take either of this shade right here. I'm going to use that to contour my face. So creamy. Wow, let's try that on the skin. Ooh, it's so creamy. And guys, I wasn't expecting that much from this palette, but I'm quite surprised that this is really working the way I want it. It's so creamy, so creamy. It blends well into the skin as well. That's not bad at all. Let's try this bit. Wow, look at that, it disappears into the skin. Very nice. Not mad at that at all. What do you guys think? I think it brings the definition into my face, but not overpowering, which is not bad at all. I totally forgot about setting powder. I'm not quite sure if they have a setting powder, but my mind was not just on setting powder at all. I'm going to be using the Sacha Buttercup setting powder right here. It's also a drugstore product instead of going for the ironed one. Just to give it a little bit dimension, because I like how light the contour is, not very overpowering, which is unlike me that I always go really hard on contours. But this is so good. It looks so natural on me. Maybe it's just me, maybe not, but I'm just applying the powder to give it a little bit more definition. So let me know what you guys think. I actually have two blush palettes. I'm not quite sure which one to go for, but the Modern Metals is their new one, so I'm definitely going to be trying that one. Let's see how that works out for me. Yeah guys, I like the packaging and I like the shades. Ooh. Okay, ELF. They take this shade right here. I'm going to apply that. Ooh. No, it's not too light. This is not too bad. It's a flush of pink on my cheeks and not too bad at all. I actually have their regular, setting spray, the one in the black container, but I just want to use this because I tried it once and I liked it, so I'm going to use this again. It's called the ELF Glow Dewy Mist plus coconut and argan oil. Wow. I'm going to shake that and spray it on my face. And it smells like coconut. It smells really nice. I'm going to bathe with it. Highlighter right here. It's called the ELF Glow plus Coconut Golden Highlighter. Oh my days. I swatched one of this highlighter and I was wowed. Like, seriously guys, look at that. It has a subtle sheen to it. Maybe it's just me. I like it. Let me warn you guys, it's not a powder highlighter. In case you're wondering, it's like a cream highlighter. Oh my days guys. It's a cream highlighter. So you have to be really careful with this because a little goes a long way. Otherwise you might be looking like a comedian. I'll be using this lipstick right called the Modern Metal liquid lipstick right here, liquid matte lipstick right here. I'm going to apply that on my lips. Ooh. So that's the finished look guys. I am going to wear my wig and I'll be